Ngayon, magluluto tayo ng tahong sisig. And I'm using the frozen mussels. I choose this guys kasi mas mura kesa sa fresh. Yung fresh kasi dito guys, it goes about $48 to $50. Mga 8 or 10 piraso lang yon. So, I choose the frozen one. Then, I have the Kalamansi juice, Sukang Pinakurat, and the black pepper, Himalayan salt. You can choose the ordinary salt guys. And then, the garlic, shallot, chilies, and the ginger. Then, chop the ginger, garlic, shallot, and the chili finely. Pag ang gusto nyo guys ay medium spicy lang po ang sisig, then you can adjust your chili according to your taste. So ayan po, ready na lahat ang ating ingredients. So ang first natin gagawin, we're going to wash our frozen mussels with boiling water. I-blance po natin ito ng mga 2 minuto. Ayan po, in a boiling water, ayan, ilalagay natin ang mussels natin. Using a strainer, we're going to drain away the water. Kailangan guys, dry po ang ating mussels bago nating iluto. Heat up the wok, then put in the butter. This time guys, I'm using butter instead of cooking oil. But it depends on you guys kung gusto nyo ng butter. Then, put in the ginger, shallot, and the garlic. We're going to saute this until it's slightly brown. Then, pag medyo slightly brown na po ang garlic, ginger, and shallot, add in the chilies. Ayan guys, ilalagay na natin ngayon ang mussels. We're going to stir fry this for at least 2 minutes. Hayaan natin guys na ang flavor ng garlic, ginger, and shallot ay mag-combine sa ating mussels. And after 2 minutes, ilalagay na natin ngayon ang black pepper, Kalamansi juice, salt, lastly, the Sukang Pinakurat. Then, we're going to stir fry this for another 2 minutes. Let all the flavor and the seasoning get into the mussels. And remember guys, you can try the taste. Pag kulang po yung lasa, you can always season it with salt. So while waiting guys na maluto ang ating sisig, I'm going to ready my sizzling plate. Ayan. I can use the stove guys. I-open nyo lang and then maglalagay tayo ng konting butter. Dapat mainit na mainit ang ating sizzling plate. So, ang iba guys, usually, nilalagay nila ang sizzling plate sa loob ng oven. Pero sa akin, ito na, yung stove na po ang ginamit ko. Ayan, nakikita nyo, medyo nagda-dark brown na ang ating butter. So, and our sisig ay luto na. So, ayan, ilalagay lang po natin dito. Ayan. And guys, we're going to transfer all the tahong or mussels into the sizzling plate.
Promise guys, oh yan, nakikita nyo, ayan, this is my sizzling tahong sisig.
And I can assure you guys, sobrang sarap. Promise, you can try it. So, ayan guys, hindi ko pa pinatay yung stove. Ang ginamit ko dito is medium fire lang. So, hinayaan ko muna na naka-open ng 15 seconds. Hayaan ko na medyo mag-burn sa baba para mas masarap ang amoy. And lastly, to look more appetizing, you can sprinkle a little bit of spring onion. And kung gusto nyo din po nalagyan ng mayonnaise, you can add it. But for me, I prepare without mayonnaise. So, ito na guys ang ating sizzling tahong sisig.